Hello. Uh, Hi, Dr. Nivedita. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are. Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hi, very healthy evening.
Healthy evening.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are just starting with the session.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to cover understanding weight management and detoxification in this course, and I have Dr. Nivedita with me, who is, the lead expert here, and she is a qualified BMS Ayurveda doctor with a rich experience of over 10 years. So I'm just starting with the session, but before that, I would like to share a very small video because, as a philosophy, what we believe in is infinite healing, that all our body has this, infinite ability to heal itself. So basis that, it's a very small video. I would like you to see that so that after that we will continue with the session.
You are watching One Health Television. Every individual has an infinite capacity for healing. The infinity symbol stands for the infinite potential inherent in each individual to live the best version of themselves. The treatment philosophy of NutriWell is based on the simple assumption that all healing comes from the amazing regenerative capacity of the body. All it needs to heal is the removal of the offending agent and nourishment with balanced nutrition in the form of vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats to assist in the repair process, hence creating conditions for the body to repair and heal itself. Natural plant-based herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, aloe vera, tulsi, holy basil, amla, Indian gooseberry, etc. have been known since the Vedic times to support health and healing. Integrating this ancient science with modern nutrition and behavioral modification protocols improve health outcomes significantly.
Yeah, hi everyone. So, okay, so this Joshi has asked very low voice. Am I audible now? Okay, sure, Dr. Nivedita. Okay,
Hmm.
so to start with the session, I have been receiving these lot many questions in terms of, what is the relationship between the toxins which accumulate in the body
Hmm.
versus the medical condition sometimes which people have. Because see, we all know whether it's air pollution, water pollution, there are so many pollution जिसके लिए हम लोग सामने डेली फेस करते हैं एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ इट आपकी बॉडी में वो टॉक्सिन्स एक्यूमुलेट होते हैं राइट
Hmm. Hmm.
बट देन दीज टॉक्सिन्स ऑब्वियसली आर हार्मफुल सो
Hmm.
कौन कौन सी ऐसी मेडिकल कंडीशंस हैं
Hmm.
you know so say for example accumulation of toxins is one of the main concern for those
Hmm.
people.
Right. ठीक है, सो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा अभी पहले ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ. एक्चुअली ठीक है, हम सभी को इन्फॉर्मेशन है दैट व्हाट इज टॉक्सिन्स. वी नीड टू डू द डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. वी शुड डू इट, बट बिफोर starting with that, we should understand what is the concept of detoxification, right? And why this came into the picture, why the necessity of detoxification is there. So to understand this, let me tell you, since the time we have taken birth till the time we will live, our body is regularly producing toxins. ठीक है? Number one. Number two, our body is capable enough कि आप हम पहले तो we are dependent on our environment. अपने फूड के लिए, वाटर के लिए, एयर के लिए. वी कैन नॉट मेक आवर ओन फूड, वी कैन नॉट मेक आवर ओन एयर, ऑक्सीजन, वी कैन नॉट मेक आवर ओन water, right? We are dependent on the environment. Number one. Number two, the food which we are taking or water we are taking, हम उसमें से good part and bad part को, our digestive system, it is going to break it into good part and the bad part. Good part, our body will, it is going to utilize it for our normal natural day-to-day function, and the bad part needs to be eject out from our system. Why? Because these are the waste material of our body. If it will remain there, it is going to cause problem. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी, आपने मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा. तो अब रेगुलरली हम कैसे अपनी बॉडी से निकाल रहे हैं वेस्ट को. तो फॉर दिस यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यूरिन, स्टूल, स्वेट, with the help of when we are breathing in, breathing out, तो breathe out करके हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को निकालते हैं. स्वेटिंग के थ्रू काफी सारे मतलब केमिकल्स, मिनरल्स, प्लस एक्सेसिव वाटर को हमारी बॉडी से हम निकाल देते हैं. प्लस यूरिन से, स्टूल से बेसिकली वेस्ट मटेरियल को हम निकाल देते हैं. सो अगर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, right? These toxins, body is already, what if we are not doing detoxification? What is the problem if we are not going to do the detoxification? So simple thing, you have to understand, waste material, if it will remain there in our body for a longer time of period, it is going to get absorbed. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूरिक एसिड, प्रोटीन जो आपका ब्रेक डाउन होता है, प्रोटीन इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इनटू यूरिक एसिड समटाइम्स. एंड अगर प्रोटीन जो आपकी बॉडी से एक्सेसिव प्रोटीन निकल जाना चाहिए, या अगर ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, तो इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट. अच्छा, टॉक्सिन्स दो तरीके से बनते हैं. एक तो ये वेस्ट मटेरियल हो गया आपका, कि आप गुड पार्ट एंड बैड पार्ट में कन्वर्ट हुए, देन बैड पार्ट नीड्स टू गो आउट. द अनदर थिंग इज, इफ द डाइजेशन इज नॉट प्रॉपर, then there will be a intermittent product which is neither absorbable nor excretable. So वो भी आपकी बॉडी के लिए, जो यूरिक एसिड है जिसकी मैं बात करूँ, this is something which is intermittent product. This is not useful of our body, and if it will remain there for a longer time of period, it may cause gouty toffees. gout हो सकता है आपको, किसी को भी जिसकी बॉडी में यूरिक एसिड on the higher side है. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अगर हम लेना चाहें, तो अगर किसी को कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है, सपोज वेस्ट मटेरियल दैट इज स्टूल needs to go out from our system, right? If it will remain there in our system, if someone have constipation in the sense of complete evacuation is not there, the person is not able to pass the motion on a regular basis, then that waste material will remain in your body for longer time of period, right? एक्चुअली आपकी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, उसका मेन काम है एब्जॉर्प्शन. जो भी आपकी फूड मटेरियल या जो भी आपका वेस्ट मटेरियल है, उसमें से एक्सेसिव अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करना, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करना. जो भी आपकी जो फर्स्ट इंटेस्टाइन के फर्स्ट इनिशियल पार्ट्स हैं, उसमें आपके न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब होते हैं. जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो धीरे धीरे पास आउट होता रहता है, लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन तक आके इवैक्यूएट हो जाता है. बट अगर नहीं पास होगा, तो स्टूल में भी जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो भी धीरे धीरे एब्जॉर्ब होने शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड ये तो होगा ही, इसके साथ में एक नेचुरल प्रोसीजर है दैट यू विल ईट फूड फ्रॉम योर माउथ, इट विल गो थ्रू पेरिस्टल्टिक मूवमेंट, इट विल गो डाउनवर्ड through your stomach, through your small intestine, large intestine, it will travel throughout the digestive system, and different phenomena के through जाकर waste material बाहर निकल जाता है. but अगर constipation हो गया तो क्या होगा, reverse procedure होने लगता है, फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसीजर होगा, गैस बनेगी, गैस से इंडाइजेशन होगा, एसिडिटी होगी. सो जो प्रोसीजर होना चाहिए था उसकी जस्ट रिवर्स होने लग जाता है. सो दीज आर द फ्यू एग्जांपल्स, क्विक एग्जांपल्स, अंडरस्टैंडेबल एग्जांपल्स. Of course there are so many other things as well. You need to, we all need to understand that these toxins, ये तो हमने सिर्फ उनकी बात की जो हम फूड कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, और जो फूड हम यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या ट्रांसफर इनको ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं इन गुड पार्ट्स और बैड पार्ट्स, या फिर कंप्लीटली एक्सक्रीट आउट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, ये उनकी बात हुई. बट देयर आर सो मेनी अदर मीडियम्स थ्रू विच यू हैव जस्ट डिफाइंड दैट देयर आर सो मेनी अदर मीडियम्स थ्रू विच वी आर getting all these toxins, like air, water, chemicals which we are using, shampoos, conditioners, moisturizer, whatever you name it. And that even if we are totally vegetarian, we are not having any type of, तो food भी आजकल genetically modified है. तो अगर आप ऑर्गेनिक फूड नहीं यूज कर रहे हो, तो उसमें भी केमिकल्स हैं. सो दीज केमिकल्स, ऑफ कोर्स, इफ यू आर हैविंग इट, देन इट इज गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब इन योर बॉडी. इफ इट इज नॉट so, there are antioxidants which is going to neutralize it, right? If you don't have enough antioxidants in your body, of course these toxins, it is going to cause irritation. These irritations, if it will remain there for a longer time of period, it will cause inflammation. And if this inflammation will remain there for longer time of period, it will cause disease. And if the disease remain untreated for longer time of period, it can cause death. तो ये सब चीजें slow things हैं which is causing problem. And this is why detoxification is very in nowadays, and everyone should do it at least once in a week. तो आपको करना ही चाहिए. If you cannot do it on regular basis, at least once in a week time. So बहुत सारे, ये तो ऐसा टॉपिक है जिस पे हम बहुत एंडलेस बातें कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछना है बताइए.
Sure. So I have started receiving few questions from the audience. I mean, आप लोग जिन्होंने रेज हैंड भी किया है, प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में या Q&A सेक्शन में आप लोग अपना क्वेश्चन ऐड कर सकते हैं. Then we'll ask the doctor and she will answer you. But before going further, Dr. Nivedita, now since you have mentioned कि detoxification मतलब toxins से कितनी issues होते हैं. Initially accumulate होता है and then obviously untreated inflammation and then disease. So I do understand कि now there is a need कि हमें अपनी body को cleanse करना चाहिए. And like you have said कि different durations होती है cleansing की. But before that, आप मुझे एक बार ये बताएंगे कि actually ये process होता क्या है?
Detoxification का process, yes, I'm going to explain this in detail. So yes, our body, it's already excreting all the toxins from our body. So this is the normal detoxification which is happening, which is already God's formation, which we are all God's creation. So it is already done in a better way. But again, let me tell you, what is detoxification? If we want to know, if we want to understand, all the toxins, it can be nullified, as I've already mentioned, with the help of antioxidants. अब ये antioxidants कहाँ मिलते हैं? हमारी जो फूड की कैटेगरीज हैं, अभी एक वीडियो में भी आपने यू हैव ऑल सीन दैट कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट, मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स. दिस इज द बेसिक 5 types of food. Classification of food is there. Again, food is classified into 3 subparts, that is bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. Protective food, it includes vitamins and minerals. जितने भी आपकी बॉडी में डिजीजेस हो रही हैं या जो भी आपकी बॉडी में अगर रिपेयरिंग का प्रोसेस चल रहा है, वो भी प्रोटेक्टिव फूड की वजह से ही जल्दी हो पाता है या उसी की वजह से हो पाता है, यू कैन से दैट. सो when we are talking about protective food, it includes all the minerals and vitamins which is rich in fruits and vegetables basically, or nuts, seeds, or maybe you can say some type of herbs, all the herbs which we have like turmeric, amla, which just we have discussed. So all these things, it is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, rich in anti-inflammatory properties, as in it has all the vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K, B12, B complex and C, and all the minerals are there, that is iron, calcium, phosphorus. So all these things, it is already there. So आपकी बॉडी को जब भी टॉक्सिन्स मिलते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी उसके अगेंस्ट रिएक्ट करती है. दैट इज नोन एज इन्फ्लामेशन. जहाँ पे भी बैटल फील्ड हो जाती है, समथिंग विच इज नॉट योर बॉडी पार्ट, बॉडी विल स्टार्ट reacts against it, and that will cause inflammation, right? जहाँ पे भी battle होगी. So battle में हम जीते, उसके लिए we need a force to be very very potent enough, like उसके अंदर all the equipment should be there. So what all these equipments are, so जितने भी antioxidants हैं वो आपकी body को this is going to help you. So detoxification का मतलब ये होता है, जब आपकी body में जितने भी toxins हैं उनसे आप अपने आप को बचो, इन द सेंस आप मत लो उन चीजों को. कौन कौन सी चीजें ऐसे हो सकती हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ विल टॉक अबाउट, ऑफ कोर्स एयर को आप नहीं छोड़ सकते हो, वाटर को आप बहुत ज्यादा कुछ चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हो, आप केमिकल्स जो आपकी जो भी आपके आसपास है, कोशिश कीजिए यू शुड हैव नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स मोर, यू शुड हैव ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स मोर. तो इस तरीके से ही आप अपनी हेल्प कर सकते हो. और आप क्या कर सकते हो, जैसे nowadays you can see there is lot of lactose intolerance, nowadays there is lot of gluten intolerance, nowadays you all know that carbonated drinks, caffeine, sugar, salt, these things, it is going to cause problem. तो ये क्या है, हमारी बॉडी को इरिटेट करने वाले इरिटेंट्स हैं. तो इनसे आप बचें, कम करें, या ऑफ ग्लूटेन चले जाएं कुछ टाइम के लिए, ऑफ लैक्टोज चले जाएं कुछ टाइम के लिए, शुगर, सॉल्ट को कम कर दें. तो एक तो आपका ये हो गया प्रिवेंशन। सेकंड, आपको जो आपकी बॉडी में ऑलरेडी टॉक्सिन्स आ चुके हैं, you need to nullify them, you have to fight against them, you have to build your immunity against them. And how you're going to do that? Of course, with the help of protective food. You need to incorporate a lot of vegetables, fruits, salads, all sort of things which is going to help you in nourishing your body and building up your immunity. So this is how we are going to this is how we generally do. So pure detox की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो उसमें generally lots and lots of fruits and vegetables we allow to give it to our patients, our clients. But of course, universal rule is not applicable on everyone. We cannot treat everyone equally. हर person different है, हर person की different problems हैं, medical issues हैं. So you have to modify these things according to their requirement, and then it is advisable to the detoxification. I guess I've tried to explain
Yes,
it in a
yes.
rough idea I've tried to give. Yes.
No, absolutely. In fact, I have started receiving questions, and there are few things which people wanted to understand.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll start one by one. So, like you have mentioned, ki detoxification is a process of removal of and cleansing of the toxins from the body.
Hmm.
अगर आप ये बता सके कि weight loss, because I mean, see, at one end, obviously we want to cleanse our body, but at other end, people are there who are facing stuck weight cases, stuck
Mm-hmm.
weight,
Mm-hmm.
and then there are people who are looking for weight loss. So, will detoxification help those cases where when the weight is stuck, that they are exercising and then
जी जी.
following a diet plan?
Hmm.
So will detoxification generally help there in those stuck weight cases, or what is the relation of weight loss
Detox.
and detoxification?
Yes. So there is very important relationship between detoxification and weight loss. देखिए, you should understand that weight loss will automatically starts coming when you avoid having those things which is irritating you. So for example, just I'm going to give you an example. Like हमारी आप ये चेक करेंगे कि कुछ टाइम तक अगर आपने ग्लूटेन फ्री डाइट्स ली, lactose free diets ली, आपने कुछ टाइम तक more of vegetables and fruits you have put yourself into, सो डेफिनेटली आपकी बॉडी की एनर्जी लेवल, सो बहुत, ये जो वेट लॉस है, दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल टर्म. This is something which is which is the we can say a byproduct of detoxification. In the sense, if you are aiming a higher thing, automatically the lower thing will come. This is going to be a byproduct of something. It means detoxification अगर आपने कर लिया, आपके वो organs जो metabolic rate के लिए responsible थे, जैसे लिवर हम वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ लिवर बेसिकली कि एक्चुअली वो कर क्या रहा है, बट इट इज helping you in many ways. Silently it is helping your body, silently it is helping your body in relieving all these toxins from your body, and of course to to rejuvenate your body. तो जब आप डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करते हैं, यू आर हेल्पिंग योर ऑल द सेल्स, राइट. सो जैसे जैसे आप डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करते जाते हैं, ऑल योर सेल्स स्टार्ट इट द मेटाबॉलिक रेट बिकम्स हाई, your body starts doing energy, feeling energetic, your hair, your skin, everything is going to get modified. So वेट लॉस विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. जैसे हम जब भी किसी को डिटॉक्स करने के लिए बोलते हैं तो उनकी बॉडी जब आपकी जो एनर्जी लेवल्स हैं वो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, आपके बाकी के सारे रिजल्ट्स आपको मिल रहे हैं, बट साइमल्टेनियसली आपको वेट लॉस मिल जाता है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप वेट लॉस को टारगेट कर रहे हो और उसके लिए डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन कर रहे हो. डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन हर इस इंसान को करना चाहिए जिसको हेल्दी रहना है, राइट. बिकॉज टॉक्सिन्स तो आपके आसपास हैं. इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव ओबेसिटी और ओवरवेट, इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी सच इश्यूज, स्टिल यू नीड टू डू द डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. एंड अगर कोई ऐसा पर्सन जो ओवरवेट या ओबेज है, अगर वो डिटॉक्स करता है, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट उन्हें एज अ एज अ पार्सल, एज अ गिफ्ट आपको वेट लॉस भी मिल जाएगा. अगेन सेकंड थिंग इज, देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर, you just asked that there are many people who are already following a diet program or already doing a diet program. उनको क्या requirement है detoxification करने की? So in that case it is sometimes becomes monotonous. Your body को थोड़ा सा jerk के लिए भी requirement होती है detoxification की. Plus जब आप कभी, जैसे मान लीजिए आपने diet follow कर रहे हो, of course diet is something which you need to follow for longer time of period, right? अगर आप किसी एक दिन, 2 दिन या कुछ टाइम के लिए आप नहीं फॉलो कर पा रहे हैं, and one day detoxification at least, even if you'll not be able to reduce weight, आप पीछे जो भी आपने गड़बड़ की हुई है, you'll be able to neutralize it. Number one. Number two, your body is going to you can say जो एक जर्क मिल जाता है, जैसे सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल आप बहुत टाइम से एक डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो बट वेट लॉस नहीं आ रहा है, इंच लॉस नहीं आ रहा है, आपकी जो डिजायर्ड वेट लॉस या इंच लॉस है वो नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो उस पर्टिकुलर केस में आपका डिटॉक्स प्लान कर जो आप फॉलो करेंगे उससे आपको डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स मिल जाते हैं. सो both ways it is working.
Sure. So Dr. Nivedita, there are multiple questions and which clients are asking. So I will just try to take few of them and combine few of them. So some people are saying, does detoxification help in improvement of hair and skin? Can diabetes patients do it? I mean, detoxification. Then does detoxification help in controlling stress? Reducing weight, obviously you have said yes. So these are the things which I am getting. So if you could just help me understand that people with medical issues, like diabetes, PCOS, whether they can do or not, and what are the benefits of detoxification?
Right. So see, as I have initially tried to explain what is detoxification, your liver, that means whenever you're doing the detoxification, ultimately you are removing all the toxins from your body, and you are getting, you are increasing the internal capability to fight against all these toxins and to nullify all these toxins. Now you have to understand कि अगर आप जब भी आप डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन कर रहे हो, आपके न्यू सेल्स ग्रोथ अच्छी हो जाती है, रिजुविनेशन होना, डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन होना, नलिफिकेशन होना शुरू हो जाता है, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आपका हेयर, आपकी स्किन, आपकी जो ओवरऑल हेल्थ है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाती है. जनरली अगर हमारे पास कोई आता है कि व्हाट आर द साइन एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, क्यों करना चाहिए, कब करना चाहिए, या कब आपको समझ लेना चाहिए कि डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट है. So this is something which is important. You have to understand that if you are feeling very low, right, you are not able to do your daily activities which you were capable of doing earlier, like 4-5 महीने 6 महीने पहले आप कर सकते थे, right now you're not feeling that energetic, or maybe all of a sudden you have lost interest in your activities, like आप ऑफिस जॉब कर रहे हैं, concentration नहीं हो पा रहा है, और all of a sudden आप fatigued रहते हैं, stressed रहते हैं. अच्छा, जब हम hair and skin की बात करते हैं, you have to understand that internally and externally, we cannot internally we cannot see our body, externally we can see our body, right? तो जितने भी हमारी ये fine lines हैं, skin sagging है, या hair fall है, premature graying of hair है, dryness of hair है, hair fall है, all these things, dryness of skin, all these things, these are the external sign and symptoms of aging process, or external sign and symptoms of toxification, right? Toxins के against आपकी body fight करती है. Of course body, it is neutralizing it. If you don't fill your body against it, like again आपकी बॉडी के जितने भी टॉक्सिन्स हैं उन्हें आपकी बॉडी ने अगेंस्ट योर टॉक्सिन्स यूटिलाइज कर लिया, अब रिजुविनेशन के लिए भी तो वो रिक्वायरमेंट है. बट अगर इफ यू डोंट हैव इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ इट, तो बॉडी स्टार्ट शोइंग, हर चीज का एक थ्रेशोल्ड होता है, हर चीज का एक अपने कैपेबिलिटीज होती हैं कि वो फाइट कर सके. तो एक लेवल पे आके आपकी बॉडी शो करने लगती है साइन एंड सिम्टम्स दैट इट्स इनफ नाउ, आई कैन नॉट फाइट, आई कैन नॉट. सो वो जो साइन एंड सिम्टम्स है वो आपके फेस पे, हेयर पे, सब जगह आपके शो होने लग जाता है. सो दिस इज एक्सटर्नल. इंटरनली भी ये चीजें हो रही होती हैं, इट्स जस्ट दैट वी कैन नॉट सी इट. ऑल द सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स लाइक आवर lungs, our liver, our digestive system, our kidneys, our uterus, all these things are also facing aging process. तो रिजुविनेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट जितनी इंटरनली है उतनी ही जैसे अंदर जो भी हो रहा है गड़बड़, वॉट एवर टॉक्सिफिकेशन इट इज हैपनिंग देयर इनसाइड योर बॉडी, इट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग आउटसाइड ऑन योर स्किन, ऑन योर हेयर. सो जब आप डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर स्किन, ऑन योर हेयर, because you are helping yourself, you are helping your body, you are helping your system. So this is the by default thing कि आपको hair and skin में improvement मिलेगा. When you're asking that insulin, like those people who have PCOD or have kidney issues or have diabetes, so for them is it allowed or it is not allowed? So in that case little modification needs to be done, for which of course there is a requirement of some experts to help you with, because in that case आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें सुपरविजन में रहना पड़ता है, थोड़ा सा आपको एडल्ट्स अपनी तरफ से मॉडिफिकेशन करनी होती है डाइट्स में, so that you will, so it's not that diabetic people cannot do it, or the other person cannot do it. Just little modification needs to be done, and everyone can do the detoxification, and everyone should do the detoxification.
Sure, Dr. Nidita. I think that was a very detailed answer, because people who have these, doubts that if I have this medical issue, or whether this will help me in terms of hair and skin improvement or not, these things will help them.
Yes.
So now my next question is, so I have two questions now. Okay. One, when you have mentioned in terms of, detoxification, that obviously it's not the same rule for all, and every body is different. So do you prefer that people should do supervised detoxification, or if I just have a diet chart and I can follow it? And how does it, and how is the relevance of body type when it comes to detoxification? Because you have been, handling clients, and you have been helping people for detoxification. So does, the outcome change if I take plans as per my body type, or if I just follow a generic detoxification?
So, as you know, we all, believe in Ayurveda and the whole science, like, we here in Dr. Shikhar Sharma's Nutri Health, in fact, we are assigning diets to everyone on the basis of Ayurveda, on the basis of Prakriti. Prakriti plays an important role. So, we are not only assigning the diets according to their medical condition, so there are several things on the basis of which we assign diets to them. That is their present medical issues, their past medical issues, their digestion, their allergies. Do they have any, menstrual related issues, family histories there, or maybe they have some blood test reports which is deranged, or maybe if they have some type of, other issues, and their prakriti. So, without taking their prakriti analysis, without doing any prakriti analysis, if you assign diet to someone, you will, maybe you will get some result, short time result, but it is not going to give you a long lasting results, because you are troubling that person. Maybe he or she can complain of constipation, uneasiness, bloating. There are several problems with which that particular person can have, because we have not, so everyone is different. As I have mentioned, vata people, they're more of, vata, more of air. pitta people, they have more of fire in them, and then kapha people have more of water and, earth in them. So what is the basic concept? It means vata people, if you'll give some, if you'll give fasting, long fasting, if you are not giving anything to them for long hours, then it may cause problem for them. Same is applicable for pitta people, whereas kapha people can do fasting, because kapha people have sluggish metabolism, and they are not prone to bloating and acidity and all these things. So if you don't keep this and you just give random diets to everyone, or if, there is a requirement of, supervision. Why? Because until and unless you don't know about that particular thing, you'll not get confidence, right? And you'll not be able to follow it, you'll not be able to get the desired result. So if even if you yourself want to follow, or if, if anyone wants to follow, they need to understand the concept first, and then follow it, so they can follow it for themselves, and they can give the same to, they can prescribe the same to the other patients, or, if they are doctors, they can assign it to their patient, their loved ones. But first of all, they need to know about the concept. Without understanding the concept, if you started giving it, then maybe it may trouble them. So this is important to know, like, what needs to be given, to whom we needs to give in, how to analyze the prakriti. This is also important. We have mentioned that, prakriti, on the basis of prakriti, you should assign diet to someone, but how to analyze it, we need to understand that concept as well. So there are several things, little, it's not that this is not a rocket science, everyone can understand. It's a very simple, it's already, we Ayurveda is something which, our dadis, nanis, our, we are using this concept since ages. It's just that we need to just, remove the dust from the ancient science, from the ancient knowledge, which already we capture in our own house. It's just that we need to utilize it. So this is it.
Sure. So thank you, Dr. Nivedita, there. Now, since you have been saying that, it's not a rocket science, and it's important to learn specifically the Ayurveda part and the detoxification part. So there comes my next question. So you have been teaching about detoxification course to the people who are interested to learn.
Hmm.
So I will share with the audience that it is a 10 days course,
Hmm.
and I mean if you are professional and if you want to professional in the sense if you are a nutritionist yourself and if you want to guide your patients about detoxification, so you should go for it because that will help you in terms of understanding how to analyze the body type and then which kind of plans you should prescribe if someone
Hmm.
is looking for a detoxification, smaller duration of detoxification, or comparatively a larger number of days if you want the person to detoxify themselves. But
Hmm.
before sharing those details, I would like from you, what are these topics which you generally suggest in the course, and what is the relevance of those topics?
So, yes, so let me tell you, we have given rough information about each and everything, like what is toxin, how it is irritating our system, how it is, causing problem. But that detailed study, that detailed information we try to give, we try to, explain to our, our students, our person, whosoever have tried to enroll in this program. And then we have, we try to explain that how to do the detoxification, what all herbs are there, what all diets are there. We have also shared diet chats with them, that means diet charts with them, that for 1 day detox, 2 days detox, 3 days detox, what all herbs they can incorporate for assigning diets to them. Then we have also incorporated prakriti analysis, how to do the prakriti analysis, how to analyze the prakriti, what all foods are required and what all foods are allowed and not allowed in the according to your prakriti. So several things we have already included in this. And yes, the specific do's and don'ts we have tried to, so the what all precautions needs to be given, what all diseases are there in which we should always be very very specific about assigning diets to anyone. So there are certain conditions, if the person is on insulin or they are on severe kidney diseases, then in that case don't do the the pure detox. You need to understand that you have to you can assign the diets according to their requirement. So detoxification is important, yes, but pure detox is sometimes it is not allowed, the pure detox in several chronic conditions in which the soft organs are already involved. So you have to understand that. And we have tried to explain all the concept in detail in in these 10 days. So there are several things like what all, so I said that foods, it is important for detoxification. So there are several things for it. So like फ्रूट्स में कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स हैं, वेजिटेबल्स में कौन-कौन से वेजिटेबल्स हैं, नट्स सीड्स कौन-कौन से हैं आपके, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमने इसमें इनकॉर्पोरेट की हैं. एंड दिस इज़ वंडरफुल कोर्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद इट, वी आर ऑलरेडी गेटिंग वेरी good response out of it. So these people, they are already understanding the concept. So this is it.
Sure. Then, so generally now, just to briefly understand what you have explained. Okay, so I have got another question. Just a minute.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is related to COVID because obviously COVID is
Hmm. Yes,
everyone's
I
concern.
understand. Mhm.
So does detoxification help if someone has already been detected with COVID earlier and now has recovered? Will this person would get benefit because obviously they have taken so many medications, there are so many
Hmm.
toxins which are created in the body.
Hmm.
So would you suggest that this person should go for immediate detoxification or in some time they could
In some
try?
time they should have, because their body is already weak, and you have to understand that they're recovering from this. So detoxification is basically, even if they we need to give to them, then in that case once in a daytime or maybe. So generally pure detoxification is like throughout the day we are not, we are not having carbs or proteins, we are giving juices and fruits and vegetables. But for these people we can give one time detox, or alternative days detox, so like these type of things we can do. But again we need to go for the complete detailed analysis. Random thing, we cannot say. So we need to take the complete medical history, that means what is their present complaint, what was their past history, and what is their present medical blood test reports, what is their prakriti, and what is their age, sex, all these things are important parameters. So without this we cannot comment on that. But yes, it is, if it is not very chronic and not causing any such immediate issue, they can follow it. At least 1 to 2 months of gap should be there. Immediately it's not allowed.
Okay, sure. So one more question so that I could, briefly, I think that's the whole part of this topic.
Mhm.
If you could just share few guidelines, what we need to do for a detox.
So what we need to do the detox, so let me tell you, see, even if there are certain do's and don'ts I'm going to mention right now. So suppose, for example, whatever don'ts I am telling you, so you cannot avoid all the don'ts. At least one or two things you should avoid, so that you can at least for example, I'm giving you an example, that if a person is 80 kgs, right, and the height is 5 feet, so that particular person needs to reduce 30 kgs of weight. Even if they cannot reduce 30 kgs immediately, but even if they can manage to reduce 4 to 5 kgs or 10 kgs, that is also going to be a big milestone, right? So similarly, so all the don'ts, if they cannot avoid, then at least avoiding 2 or 3 don'ts out of those can also help them. So understand this concept. I'm just going to explain. So carbohydrate and protein, right? So specifically, if you cannot avoid carbohydrate, at least gluten you have to avoid. Protein, may you should avoid non-veg, and you should avoid milk products like lactose. Basically, you have to avoid the proteins. You can have cereals, like, sorry, the legumes like moong dal and all these things, the plant protein basically. And when we're talking about sugar needs to be avoided completely. If you want to have it, need to you can replace with stevia and some simple plant sugar. Then when we're talking about salt needs to be avoided completely. Carbonated drinks, caffeine, all these things, if you're avoiding, I'm not saying to avoid this throughout your life. I am asking you to avoid this for 1 day or 2 day, or depending on your requirement. Again, if we have mentioned that these are the don'ts, like you should avoid it. So अगर इसमें से सारी चीजें नहीं कर सकते, alcohol, caffeine, carbonated drinks, carbs, like carbs में आपका gluten, then lactose, and अगर आप इनमें से सब चीजें नहीं कर सकते, तो at least आप इनमें से कोई एक या दो चीजें अवॉइड करें. एंड देन इसके अलावा अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं आपकी क्या चीजें अलाउड होती हैं, तो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि फ्रूट जूसेस लेने हैं आपको. Whole fruit it is allowed. Vegetables में it can be vegetable juice, it can be boiled vegetable, it can be soup, it can be salad, it can be, so that sort of things it is allowed. And of course आपको सारी चीजें बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए नहीं करनी है, of course for a short time of period. सो प्रकृति के अकॉर्डिंगली डिफरेंट आपकी एनालिसिस हो जाएगी, और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली रिक्वायरमेंट भी हो जाती है. सो दिस इज इट.
Sure. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Nivedita.
Most
Just
welcome.
one last thing. So when you do the supervised detoxification, or when you do this group detoxification kind of, where the whole family gets involved, that they all want to start the detoxification together,
Hmm.
You do prescribe certain herbs also,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Which helps, in terms of removal of those toxins.
Hmm.
If you could just share one or two herbs which
Yes,
help.
of course. So turmeric is one among it. Amla is one among it. Aloe vera is one among it. Tulsi is one among it. So there are several herbs which we can incorporate, and this is definitely very good for all of us to have this. LKC is very good capsule, which is of Organic India's liver and kidney care capsule. This includes Bhumya Amlaki, which is for liver detoxification. This includes Katukil, which is antibacterial property, which has antibacterial property. And there is one more that means this thing that is having kidney detoxification basically. So all these herbs, it is very good for detoxification because rich in antioxidants. It is rich in, is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, um, so this is what I'll advise to have on regular basis.
Sure. Thank you, Dr. Nivedita. That was indeed a very wonderful session. So I do have, people sending few questions, obviously, which are the follow-up questions. But see, the answer depends on your body type as well. I would request all of you, if you have any questions or if you want to know more about this supervised detoxification, or if you want to enroll yourself for a detoxification course, up chat box में just share your number. I will arrange a call after this session for you. All your queries will get resolved. And then obviously you can decide whether you want to do a detoxification for 1 day, 7 days, 21 days, that way. So without taking much of your time, Dr. Nivedita, thank you so much for joining in today. So I will be waiting for you because I have started receiving numbers. So I'm not closing the session right now. You can share your questions as well as your numbers. But for the now, thank you, Dr. Nivedita, for joining.
Thank you. Stay healthy, all of you, and take care of yourself, Ashima. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.